Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, December 20, 2022, 3:16 a.m. My earthquake app just woke me up. Some shallow earthquakes in Northern California coming off of the Mendocino Ridge. We have several epicenters. We have a 6.4 just offshore of Eureka. Another 6.4 Hydesville. We have a 4.6 by Rio Dale. Many other shallow earthquakes throughout the region. Again, we have some earthquakes coming in off of the Mendocino Ridge. Remember, I've been reporting for the past 2 days the tremor activity. There has been no tremors coming in off of the Mendocino Ridge in the past 2 to 3 days. The last tremor report was December 17th. If you recall, I've been saying it is preferable to have these earthquakes here to relieve the energy, not here. The fact that we have not had any tremors for the past 2 to 3 days tells me that we've had a accumulation of energy building up, and it has now just released in the form of some 6.4 earthquakes. I'm going to be staying up for a while to see if this develops. Brian Gunderson out.